dancing in the summer air like old stories floating everywhere. Mama used to hum these simple tunes, filling our home like rising moons. Daddy tapping rhythm on the wooden floor, saying, "Child, remember what love is for." Warm wind blowing through the open door, echoes from the years before, and I breathe it in so tenderly. These moments carved in memory. Golden breeze of yesterday, carry my heart away through the memories shining warm like an island day. Hold me close in your gentle sway. Let the music heal me as I pray. Old wreck spinning in the Sunday light, dusty grooves glowing soft and bright. Upstroke guitar in a steady flow, teaching my heart everything I know. Walking barefoot through the evening sand, waves like blessings touching my hand. Birds flying low with a peaceful call, painting stories as the night falls. Mama's laughter in the fading glow, Daddy's wisdom telling me to grow. These melodies forever stay, guiding me along my way. Long good and the rhythm take me high where the clouds drift slow across the sky. Ooh, let the breeze erase my pain, wash my worries like ice and rain. Ooh, feel the heartbeat blend with time, every moment like a vintage rhyme. Ooh, golden memories softly play forever in my soul each day. Sometimes the world feels heavy and cold, dreams fade quiet, stories untold. But when this music begins to rise, hope comes back into my eyes. The deep bass rolling like the ocean tide reminds me I'm alive inside. Upstroke guitar shining clear and bright, lifting shadows into light. I walk the old roads where I used to roam, feeling the spirit that called me home. The breeze of yesterday returns once more, bringing peace to the heart's core. Life moves forward, but still I find pieces of love left far behind. And with every note, every gentle sway, my soul is carried far away. Golden breeze of yesterday, carry my heart away through the memories shining warm like an island day. Hold me close in your gentle sway, let the music heal me as I pray. Ooh, yesterday's breeze. Ooh, set me free. Golden moment, stay with me. In the evening breeze, your melody finds me, drifting soft and warm like the island sea. Hold me close within your harmony, rock steady love, forever free. breath of wind, every ocean sigh feels like music passing by. But your song is never gone. In the rustling leaves and the ocean foam, your melody calls me home. When the world grows loud and cold, your rock steady rhythm makes me bold. Holding tight to your refrain, I find my strength again. Walking slowly by the shore, your harmonies return once more. In every star above the bay, your soft voice gently finds its way. And even when the night is long, I rise again within your song. Your melody, my guiding flame, calling softly out my name. In the evening breeze, your melody finds me, drifting soft and warm like the island sea. Hold me close within your harmony, rock steady love, forever free. Slow dancing in the island breeze, your heartbeat drifting close to me. Moonlight glowing on the quiet sea. In this moment, love feels free. Evening falls with a golden hue, palm leaves whispering soft and true. Warm waves kissing the shoreline sand as you gently reach for my hand. Old cassette tapes play in the night, rock steady rhythms feeling right. Vintage keys humming soft and low, guiding our footsteps as we go. Hold me close and stay a while. Let time slow down in your smile. was gentle, full of grace, soft as the wind on my resting face. Every word felt warm and true. Every sunrise began with you. The ocean carried our dreams along, rock steady beat in every song. The world was simple, slow and kind, with nothing heavy on our mind. Ooh, let the tide keep holding us near. Ooh, whisper love that only we hear. Ooh, memories glowing bright and warm, sheltering us from every storm. Ooh, like a vinyl spinning slow. Ooh, love surrounds us as we grow. Ooh, in this gentle island night, your arms feel like the perfect light. Years may pass like drifting sand, still I feel your steady hand, guiding me through highs and lows, holding me close when the cold wind blows. Your laughter wraps around my soul, your love makes every broken part whole. Even when the days turn gray, your warmth carries the clouds away. So take my heart into your own, let our rhythm stay soft and known. Rock steady beats beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Tonight we dance like the first time when we met, before the world taught us regret. Just you and me in the ocean song, right here is where we belong. Slow dancing in the island breeze, your heartbeat drifting close to me. Moonlight glowing on the quiet sea. In this moment, love feels free. These midnight letters of love I write, floating softly in the pale moonlight. Rock steady rhythm holding me tight, sending my heart through the silent night. I sit by the window where the breeze blows low, humming with memories from long ago. Street lamps glowing like the mellow sun, another quiet evening just begun. Your picture resting on my knee, every line a sweet memory. The bass moves gentle like a lover's sigh, and the upstruck guitar keeps drifting by. The night feels warm like a whispered tune, a rock steady love beneath the moon. No rush, no noise, just peace so true, and all my thoughts return to you. These midnight letters of love I write, floating softly in the pale moonlight. Rock steady rhythm holding me tight, sending my heart through the silent night. You were the calm in a restless day, the steady rhythm when I lost my way. Your laughter danced like a gentle stream, bringing color back into my dream. I remember evenings on the sandy shore, where time felt slower than ever before. The distant drums, the fading tide, your hand warm resting at my side. Sometimes love grows quiet and still, but quiet things shape the heart they fill. And even when distance pulls us apart, your name keeps echoing in my heart. So I write these words though you're far tonight, hoping my voice still reaches your light. The bass keeps rolling soft and deep, a lullaby guiding my soul to sleep. Carry my heart on the midnight breeze, across the waters, across the sea. Let the rhythm deliver my truth, wrapped in memory. Bless these letters, bless our love. Every breath, every line keeps our hearts forever aligned. The night grows older, but my thoughts stay clear. Each word a promise to keep you near. Your voice still lingers like a distant song, guiding my footsteps when life feels wrong. I picture your smile in the morning glow, brighter than anything I know. Your gentle strength, your quiet grace, your love a shelter, a sacred place. Someday soon when the distance fades, we'll walk together in evening shades. Till then these letters will cross the night, carried by moon and silver light. These midnight letters of love I write, floating softly in the pale moonlight. Rock steady rhythm holding me tight, sending my heart through the silent night. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
write you letters in the sunset. Glow words of love in a gentle flow. Rock steady rhythm moving slow. These island dreams you'll always know. The evening breeze curls soft and warm. A quiet peace after the passing storm. Birds fly home in the fading light, their wings painting gold across the night. I sit alone by the old shoreline, letting the memories intertwine. Upstroke guitar in the twilight air, whispers of love still linger there. Laughter drifts like a distant wave, a sound too precious for time to fade. Every moment we ever shared comes back gently unprepared. I write you letters in the sunset. Glow words of love in a gentle flow. Rock steady rhythm moving slow. These island dreams you'll always know. I remember nights when your smile was bright, shining through the island night. Warm soft hands brushing mine like calm waves meeting the shoreline. We walked the streets in the summer rain, laughing without a single pain. Jukebox playing old reggae tunes, dancing under Caribbean moons. Time moves on, but the heart holds tight, keeping the echoes of that light. Even when distance comes between, your voice still lives in everything. The rhythm plays like a gentle tide, rolling slow from side to side. Your name is carried in the breeze, carved in the whisper of the trees. Letters written in fading gold, stories of love we never told. Sunset painting the ocean bright, guiding my heart through the night. Every beat of the reggae groove reminds me of the way you move. Though the years may drift apart, your melody lives in my heart. As darkness falls on the quiet bay, stars appear where dreams still stay. I breathe in slow, remembering in you, and all the love that felt so true. Your footprints linger in my mind, gentle, steady, soft and kind. Those evenings walking hand in hand, barefoot across the island sand. Life keeps moving, tides roll on.
Golden memories on the shoreline glow, where the warm tide whispers soft and slow. I close my eyes and feel it flow. Love from the past still helping me grow. The evening breeze touches my face, sunset turn into night. Offbeat guitar floating so sweet, our footsteps matching the reggae beat. You'd hum a tune only hearts could hear, soft and warm, held near and dear. Even when the world felt cold and wide, your smile kept fire burning inside. The moon rose high above the bay, carving silver paths where dreams would stay. We talked until the stars grew dim, sharing secrets on a nighttime whim. Those moments rest like embers bright, guiding me gently through the night. Even now when my spirit bends, your memory rises like the wind. Ooh, take me back to that quiet shore where time moves soft forevermore. Let the bassline warm my soul,
a song only I could hear. The mellow bass rolls like a calming tide, reminding me of when you were by my side. The days grew long, the nights grew cold. Life moved on, but my heart still holds fragments of laughter in the summer heat. Moments where time felt soft and sweet. I see your shadow in a passing face, feel your warmth in a quiet place. Our story lives where the waves return, where love still flickers, where memories burn. And though the years have drifted slow, there's one thing I still truly know. Every rhythm that I play tonight carries your light through the fading twilight.
Echoes of a summer heart calling me home again. Warm breeze singing through the night, washing away the pain. Under the fading golden light, memories still remain. Echoes of a summer heart dancing in the rain. Ooh, summer rain. Ooh, never echoes linger in my heart. Island breeze, memories calling me home again. Through every joy, through every pain, carry my heart like the evening wind to the place where my story begins. Walking down the shoreline slow, golden clouds with a gentle glow, footprints fading on the sand, time drip peaceful from my hand. Mama used to sing at the ocean tide, her voice a shelter where I could hide. Daddy played records on Friday night, old reggae shining like pure moonlight. Palm trees swayed with a mellow tone, teaching me life as I grew alone. The more I wonder, the more I see those island roots keep calling me. Island breeze, memories calling me home again. Through every joy, through every lights on the dusty street, neighbors dancing with bare feet, laughter floating through the air, love and freedom everywhere. Grandma's stories of younger days, telling truth in simple ways, teaching hope when times were rough, saying, child, your spirit's enough. Vinyl spinning by candlelight, warm bass humming through the night, upstroke guitar in a gentle sway, guiding the rhythm of each new day. I learned to cherish every tone, every heart that felt like home. Even now when I roam so far, that island breeze knows who we are. Let the memories drift and flow, like the tides that come and go. Every moment, every sound keeps my heartbeat safe and bound. When the world feels far too loud, let the reggae calm the crowd. In the stillness I can see all the love that carried me. Years go by like soft rainfall, but the roots inside still stand tall. Through the wind and through the night, they guide my soul toward the light. I've walked through cities wide and cold, chasing stories yet untold, but every journey in my life leads me back to peace, not strife. When the world turns heavy gray, I close my eyes and drift away, back to sunsets warm and bright, back to voices filled with light. The island breeze wraps around my soul, gently pushing to make me whole, whispering softly you belong, like an ancient everlasting song. And even when the days grow long, I lift my heart and stay strong, for everything that shaped my days still echoes in reggae's gentle ways. Island breeze, memories calling me home again. Through every joy, through every pain, carry my heart like the evening wind to the place where my story begins. Island breeze, whisper please, guide me softly back to peace. Echoes of the island heart calling me home tonight. Soft winds carry memories in the fading light. Through the years and all the miles we drift apart, I still hear the rhythm of the island heart. Golden evening settles on the bay, children laughing as the waves fade away. Street lamps glow like fireflies in line, painting shadows in a gentle rhyme. Mama humming in the breeze so low, daddy dancing where the warm winds blow. Every little memory feels brand new, like the rhythm washing over you. The night begins with a tender tone, guitar cutting softly as the moon is shown. And in the rhythm of the island drum, I feel the place I came from. Echoes of the island heart calling me home tonight. Soft winds carry memories in the fading light. Through the years and all the miles we drift apart, I still hear the rhythm of the island heart. A wooden radio's on the windowsill, playing tunes that time can never kill. Voices of legends floating free, guiding souls like waves at sea. I remember it's late at night, I still feel the shoreline light. Friends who danced in the city glow, faces I thought I'd never let go. Their laughter lingers in the breeze, flowing softly through the trees. And when the world grows heavy and cold, I think back on the stories told, how music kept us brave and strong, how rhythm helped us carry on. So if tomorrow pulls me far, I'll follow the beat wherever you are. For in my heart I always know, island echoes never let go. Echoes of the island heart, calling me home tonight. Soft winds carry memories in the fading light. Through the years and all the miles we drift apart, I still hear the rhythm of the island heart. Ooh, island heart. Ooh, never part. Warm winds whisper, home at last. Golden breeze of yesterday, carry my heart away through the memories shining warm like an island day. Hold me close in your gentle sway, let the music heal me as I pray. I feel the morning light touch the window frame, another day whispering softly my name. Offbeat guitar dancing in the summer air, like old stories floating everywhere. Mama used to hum these simple tunes, filling our home like rising moons. Daddy tapping rhythm on the wooden floor, saying, "Child, remember what love is for." Warm wind blowing through the open door, echoes from the years before, and I breathe it in so tenderly. These moments carved in memory. Golden breeze of yesterday, carry my heart away through the memories shining warm like an island day. Hold me close in your gentle sway, let the music heal me as I pray. Old wreck spinning in the Sunday light, dusty grooves glowing soft and bright. Upstroke guitar in a steady flow, teaching my heart everything I know. Walking barefoot through the evening sand, waves like blessings touching my hand. Birds flying low with a peaceful call, painting stories as the night falls. Mama's laughter in the fading glow, daddy's wisdom telling me to grow. These melodies forever stay, guiding me along my way. Long good, and the rhythm take me high where the clouds drift slow across the sky. Ooh, let the breeze erase my pain, wash my worries like ice and rain. Ooh, feel memories of yesterday returns once more, bringing peace to the heart's core. Life moves forward, but still I find pieces of love left far behind. And with every note, every gentle sway, my soul is carried far away. Golden breeze of yesterday carry my heart away through the memories shining warm like an island day. Hold me close in your gentle sway. Let the music heal me as I pray. Ooh, yesterday's breeze. Ooh, set me free. Golden moment, stay with me. In the evening breeze, your melody finds me drifting soft and warm like the island sea. Hold me close within your harmony, rock steady love, forever free. The sunlight fades on the coral sand, shadows dancing on the quiet land. Your voice echoes in the golden air, a tender song carried everywhere. The palm trees sway in a gentle line, becoming part of this tune of mine. Every breath of wind, every ocean sigh feels like music passing by. Ooh, let the rhythm settle slow. Ooh, let the warm night start to glow. Every note you give to me feels like our sweet destiny. In the evening breeze, your melody finds me drifting soft and warm like the island sea. Hold me close within your harmony, rock steady love, forever free. I remember nights with the old radio, where the vinyl cracker felt like home. Your gentle humming in the candlelight made every sorrow feel alright. The waves would whisper to the shore like they'd heard your voice before. All the aches of yesterday faded softly when you'd sway. Life was simple, life was kind. Your melody always on my mind. And when trouble stole my sleep, your voice rocked me calm and deep. Ooh, sing your song into my soul. Ooh, make my broken pieces whole. Ooh, guide me through the darkest night. Ooh, fill my spirit with your light. Ooh, every heartbeat, every tear. Ooh, feels your melody draw near. Ooh, in this breeze I hear your tone, like a lullaby I've always known. Now the years have drifted on, but your song is never gone. In the rustling leaves and the ocean foam, your melody calls me home. When the world grows loud and cold, your rock steady rhythm makes me bold. Holding tight to your drifting soft and warm, like the island